Hey guys, it's your girl Tahita with Beauty and the Kinks. Welcome back to another random vlog. I'm super excited about this one though because I am gonna model for a natural hair brand at the Black Women's Expo. I'm actually modeling for Mielle Organics. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. I am gonna meet up with one of my old friends there. She is actually working at a booth that's selling vanities. So I'm super excited to see them in person. And yeah, I will take you guys along for the ride. Let's go. So they're currently having like a Comic-Con, I think it's called like Comic Entertainment something. So it's so confusing trying to find my expo because basically there's two different expos at the same location. Okay, so I'm still out here looking hella bummy. I don't know if you guys can even hear me because it's so loud where I'm at. But I'm at the beautiful Jazzy Jackson and I got myself a J-Scope fitness belt. So I'm super excited about that. But it's packed in here. And I had to take a second and get myself together, but I'm good now. And I have about maybe 15 minutes until it's my turn to go to the booth and get ready to model. This for my video. Hey. Alright guys, so I am clearly back home. I just wiped off some of my makeup. Sorry, this exposure is just really bad. There we go. Yeah, and I just wanted to come on camera really quickly so I can show you guys again how popping these curls are. Like, I did not know. Okay, look at this. And I cannot wait to see how it looks when my hair is like its second day, third day here, because right now it's first day wash and go. Can't wait for more volume. But this definition though, y'all. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to come on here and say. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm a little bit stuffy right now, not sure why. I'm about to wash my face. I just wiped my face. I'm about to wash my face and get ready for bed. So yeah, so that is it guys. I hope that you enjoyed my quick little vlog just showing you how I spent my day today. But yeah, I'm just feeling super grateful to even have been considered to be a model for Mielle Organics. I've been planning on networking and forming relationships with different brands, that's makeup brands, hair care brands, and I'm so stoked that all these goals that I planned last year are slowly but surely manifesting. So I am so sorry about this lighting, but yeah, thank you guys for all your love and support. Don't count your girl out. I have much more to come. So yeah, if you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. But that is it until the next video. Bye guys. Alright, so I know I just signed off, but I completely forgot to show you guys all the products that I received from Mielle Organics. And It's a lot of good stuff, guys. I cannot wait to try all this stuff. Unfortunately, there were a few products that had already sold out, like the curling custard that they used on my hair, and the edge control, the edge gel that they have. That was sold out, but super excited to try these products. I've tried some of Mielle Organics products prior to today, and like I said, today I tried the leave-in conditioner, which is this, and the curling custard. So be on the lookout to see a haul and possibly some styling hair tutorial videos. But yeah, that was it. I'm gone now. Bye, y'all.